There are some things I think about all the time as an artist, but never really say out loud. Not because they're secrets or anything, just because they're hard to explain. Maybe if you're learning and figuring it out too, this might feel familiar. This video isn't a tutorial or anything polished, I just wanted to talk a bit. These are thoughts I've had a lot lately as an artist, things I don't really say out loud, but I feel like maybe someone out there will get it. Maybe you're feeling the same things too. One of the weirdest parts of digital art for me is how flipping the canvas suddenly makes all your mistakes jump out. It's like you're staring at a piece for hours, tweaking every little thing, and then you flip it and realize everything's crooked or everything's off balance. And it made me wonder, what if that's how I'm seeing my own progress too? Like maybe I'm hyperfixating on certain things and missing obvious mistakes because I haven't flipped the canvas on my own perspective yet. What if I think I'm improving, but I'm still not seeing what I really need to work on? That thought haunts me sometimes. And learning art is such a layered thing. I'll follow a course, study anatomy, start doing portraits from imagination, and feel like I am on the right track. But then I hit this weird wall. Like, I know the proportions of the face, I know how to build a skull, how features line up, where the muscles go, but I don't know how to make someone look devastated, or furious, or blissfully happy. And suddenly I'm asking myself, did I miss something? Is there a whole chapter on emotion I skipped? So then it turns into this spiral of, do I now have to learn every single small thing about every single aspect of art? Am I just constantly running after invisible puzzle pieces I didn't even know existed? And of course, there's the old imposter syndrome, because why not add that into the mix? There are days where I feel proud of how far I've come. Like, yeah, I'm improving, and then 5 minutes later I'm asking myself, wait, am I actually getting better, or am I just getting better at hiding what I still can't do? And then the next day it flips, and I think my art is garbage. But maybe that's just imposter syndrome. It's like I don't even trust my own judgment of my own progress. It swings both ways, constantly. Another thing that gets in my head a lot is detail. I've learned that pulling back on detail can actually make a piece feel stronger, suggesting forms instead of outlining everything, letting the viewer's brain fill in the rest. It's powerful. But then I wonder, when am I doing this intentionally, and when am I just tired? When am I simplifying because it's the best choice, and when am I just cutting corners without even realizing it? And how much time do I spend worrying about that instead of just enjoying the process? Finally, I keep asking myself, am I doing enough? Am I learning the right things in the right order? Everyone says the art journey is different for everyone, and I believe that, but it also makes it impossible to know if I'm on the right path. I can take classes, read books, watch artists I admire, copy techniques, but how do I know when it's too much input and not enough action? How do I know when it's time to pivot, or slow down, or push forward? The truth is, I don't know. I don't have the answers to any of this. And maybe that's kind of the point. Because despite all of this, the doubt, the confusion, the constant learning, I still love art. I love learning. I love the process, even when it's messy and frustrating and full of questions I don't know how to ask. So if you're feeling any of this too, just know you're not alone. I'd love to connect, to talk it out, even just to support each other as we go, because this isn't easy. It's hard, but I think we can still grow through it, even if we don't have a clear roadmap. We're all just flipping the canvas, a little at a time, trying to see what we're missing, trying to get better, and trying to make something beautiful. Thanks for listening, and good luck on your own art journeys.